reportedly dead in the accident, and the accident was reported in Sanyas Padar area of Kishtwar, and rescue operation is underway. And we are learning that MOS PMO Dr. Jitendra Singh also spoke to Deputy Commissioner of Kishtwar, taking stock of the accident. All right, so this is the information that we are getting as far as this accident is concerned. The accident took place in Sanyas Padar area in Kishtwar, and 4 people have in fact are dead after this accident. There were in fact 5 people who were commuting through this area, and the vehicle has in fact plunged into this deep gorge, where now rescue operation is also underway because 4 people are dead. One of the person is still missing is what the latest update that we are getting, and MOS PMO says that he is in fact in touch with the Deputy Commissioner of Kishtwar and taking updates as far as the entire incident is concerned. So these are the latest updates that we are getting as far as this accident is concerned. 4 people have been killed after vehicle slips into gorge in Kishtwar. I'm now joined by my colleague Tejendra Singh Sodhi on this. Tejendra, take us through the detail as far as this accident is concerned. There were 5 people in this vehicle. What sort of vehicle was this, and what about the one person? Because the remaining 4 have been dead. So, what information do we have about the rest of the people?
That there were a total 6 people who were on board this vehicle. This was a tipper carrying some construction material. When it rolled down in a deep gorge in the Kishtwar area, resulting in the death of 4 people. 2 have been injured and they have been shifted to the hospital. They have been recovered. The rescue operation was launched. The police is saying that this vehicle was on its way to Kishtwar when the driver of this vehicle lost the control on the vehicle, which led to this accident. This vehicle fell into a deep gorge in the area because this is a hilly terrain. The Doda-Kishtwar route is a hilly terrain where the driver, when he was trying to negotiate a curve, failed to control the vehicle, and the vehicle fell into a deep gorge, resulting in the death of 4 individuals. 2 who have sustained serious injuries, they have been shifted to the hospital. Since early morning, the rescue operation was going on, but unfortunately, 4 people have died in this accident. Their bodies have been recovered. 2 injured have been shifted to the hospital. Yes.
All right. Thank you, Tejendra, for getting us all those details.